Stacking rings have an encouraging monkey that lights up and plays melodies and sing along songs. Bass waddles for added challenge and fun sounds and songs play when the baby rings are stacked. Discover numbers, colors, shapes and music. 5 colorful rings and a variety of textures promote tactile development and baby play. Infant Learning Stacker is great for baby stacking toy includes 40+ songs, melodies, sounds and phrases. Baby learning toy is intended for babies and toddlers 6 months to 3 years of age. 2 AAA batteries included for demo. Use new batteries for regular use. Stack the rings for a musical surprise with the Stack Ampersand Sing Rings by Deck. As your child builds motor skills by stacking the colorful rings, the interactive monkey will light up and play melodies and sing along songs. The monkey also encourages your child to stack the rings with fun phrases that introduce colors, shapes and numbers.